our channel. Let's do it together.
I just used my hand. Here, Yari. Here.
It's so good.
The ingredients for our embutido. This is the one I need to marinate the embutido. 1.5 cup of carrots. And I will put, sorry for the noise. 1 cup of bell pepper. The orange one because we don't have green or red. And I will put our meat.
Oh, this is the big one.
That's the big one. Oh, so that's the secret ingredients for my special embutido. I put corned beef.
Question, what is those yellow things?
That is the fat. And we're gonna put the relish. That is the pickle relish. This is sweet pickle. About a tablespoon. We just put everything. 1 tablespoon also of onion powder, garlic powder, like half a tablespoon of, what is it, anak?
Ground pepper.
1 egg, tablespoon of salt, and 1 1/2 cup of bread crumbs. Yeah. I make these bread crumbs by myself because my daughter doesn't want to eat the side of the sliced bread. So whenever I toast the bread, I cut the sides for her. And that's after, for a few days, I grind them. So that's the thing. I have 3 bread crumbs. And now I will put like 1 cup of raisins. We're gonna mix everything. Oh, it's a lot, eh? Just mix everything properly. Oops, I think we need a bigger bowl. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of ginisa mix. And we will gonna refrigerate it for at least 12 hours before we gonna wrap this in aluminum foil. We will gonna do the final mix of our embutido. It's been marinated overnight. So I will mix it first, and I will get a small piece of this and fry it just to taste if all the marination ingredients it's enough, or I need to adjust the saltiness. I always check and balance the taste of my marination ingredients before I cook all the batch. It need more salt, or it's okay?
It's perfectly fine to me.
So we're gonna cook the embutido. So this is my steamer. This is a really big pot. So I have like 2 layers of steamer. And I will boil first the water. You just put in high heat until it boils. And while it's waiting to boil, I'm gonna wrap our embutido. We're gonna wrap now the embutido. Need to cut the sausage, make it half, and another half. But you can do it only half. But me, I like this way because I have a lot of embutido to wrap. And the eggs is also same thing, half and half. See, like that. And we're gonna wrap our embutido. We're gonna put this inside the cheddar cheese and the Filipino sausage and hard-boiled egg. So let's do it
Together.
So we already put like 3 scoop, big scoop. That is a big scooper. We just do like that, and we're gonna put 2 of these. Just gonna put that in the middle. Okay, just facing each other, and the cheese gonna be in the middle.
I love cheese.
Yep. And the egg, just 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Oh, we'll make it 3. Yep. And now we're gonna wrap it. Just gonna wrap it like this. I just do like this so that it will be perfectly in the middle. That's why, guys, you have to wear your gloves. Now I will take out my gloves so I can wrap the foil, because once you're wearing gloves and you're wrapping it, your foil gonna be dirty, and I don't like it. You just make sure it's tight. But anyway, you need to squeeze both sides like this, so that you're gonna see there's no gap in between inside. So once you are happy that it's already tight, so that make sure your embutido is perfectly rounded inside. So once you wrap it, you do like this and like that to secure it will not open. And we'll see how heavy it is. Let me see. Okay, each one is 1.32 pounds. So we're gonna continue doing that. Just repeat the process, right, Anna?
Yeah. How much mommy made? She made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and plus that will be 6. So now we're gonna put our
Embutido.
We put that in the lower.
Then the rest we're gonna use the one on the top because it's only 2.
The stove in the medium heat
for an hour.
Yeah.
After an hour, the embutido already cooked. And what we have to do, let it cool down. So I'm gonna collect them and set aside.
Yeah.
You know, the embutido, we always cook that in the Philippines during Christmas because we called it a Christmas ham. It's very tasty and homemade ham. We always prepare that ahead of time because preparation and cooking that takes space and time, so that we cook that like a day before the celebration so that it will be cooled down, and the next day it's gonna be more delicious. I already unwrapped the embutido that we cooked. You see, it's perfectly intact. I just use the scissors like that. You see, guys, how I open it? I just cut them. So less hassle in opening it. Don't have to worry. And I want to fry it just the way I make it reheated. Just frying it. I just wait the wok to become hot. Just a quick fry all over. We're gonna fry it just like that. And we have to wait it. Now if your embutido is color like this, you can take it out. See, it doesn't even. Yep, there you go, and it's done. Yeah, I just cut it slice like this. I taste a little bit and it's super delicious. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put like that there, and the other half. Oh, it doesn't fit. Where we're gonna put it?
On top.
On the top. Yeah, like this. Look at that, guys. And we're gonna taste it. I just use my hand. Here.
It's so good.
So delicious, guys. Oh my god. Tastes like heaven.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
video.